There is a line in my song, Omentekenteke, that many people don't understand. The line says, Okpuruoswa Lokoberu. That is, Okpuruoswa Lokoberu. Let me explain what it means today. I carefully selected every phrase used in Omentekenteke because of its deep meaning. In our dialect, Okpuruoswa means whistle, while Lokoberu means pulling the lips or mouth together. So, literally, Okpuruoswa Lokoberu means the whistle that pulls the lips together. I thought deeper about this phrase and realized that it perfectly describes the nature of God. See, when you want to whistle, your lips must come together. You cannot whistle unless your lips come together. It's not possible. There is a force that brings them together. Without that force bringing the lips together, the whistle cannot happen. That force is what makes the whistle happen. So, the whistle depends on that force that brings things together. That is why in my song, Omentekenteke, I described God as Okpuruoswa Lokoberu, which means that God is the one that brings things together. God is the one who makes things happen. God is the one holding everything together in our lives. So, when we sing Omentekenteke Ekatome, Okpuruoswa Lokoberu, we are declaring that God keeps working, doing good again and again without getting tired, and that God is the one holding everything together in our lives. If you are alive today, if you are still standing, if things are still working in your life, it is because God is working in your life. It is because God is holding things together for your good. Because He is the Omentekenteke Ekatome, Okpuruoswa Lokoberu.
Omentekenteke Ekatome be beautiful. Omentekenteke Ekatome